Hi there everyone, back with another video. In this video we will be learning the next concept in JavaScript. That's what we call it as arithmetic operator. I just thought of having you teaching the next operator in JavaScript. That's an assignment which we are supposed to do that, but there is something hidden in arithmetic operators. That's what we call it as string arithmetic. So it is also kind of a craziest part, the string arithmetic, and some will call it as a weird thing in JavaScript. So let me explain you quickly over here with the concept of string arithmetic. So I will just console it and I will just say in the console. So now if I want to do some arithmetic operations like with the help of addition, I usually write a number over here, right? So we'll get the addition of that. But if I have something called as string, I will just say hello, and then over here in the operator, in the operand, the first operand, I will just say hi. So now what's the meaning of this? Can we add two strings? Of course we can't add that if we take that in a mathematical theory, but in JavaScript this is logical. So now let's check the output. What if I add two strings rather than the two numbers? So if I refresh the page, and as you can see guys, it's printing hi hello. So now with the help of this output we can get the concept over here. So now what's the concept? It's not adding, it's concatenating. So it will concate this string with this string, right? So it will just merge two of the strings and output the string as hi hello. And similarly we can have multiple operators like hi hello and bye. So so now it will add, or in other words concate three strings. So if I just refresh, as you can see, hi hello bye, right? So don't take the exact meaning of this operator of addition. So now if we have a string as an operand in whenever we are supposed to add thing, so now the meaning of this plus will be a concat, not this addition where we are getting 4. So you should be having that in mind. And the next weird thing in JavaScript is, I'll just show you guys about that, and you might be wondering about this concept. So now I have done with the string addition, which is in other words concat. So now what if I have some some called a string, let me say one as a string, and then I will add one with the numeric one. So now it's a mixed data type. So we have one which is a number, and also we have one which is a string, and we have adding that. So can we do that? Of course we can't do that in mathematical theory, but in JavaScript it can be done. So let me check the output of this. Guys, as you can notice, it's printing 1 and 1. So the meaning of this plus over here is again the concatenation. So it will just concat the string 1 with the numeric 1. So and hence we are getting 11 as a string. Not, it is not just a number. As you can notice here, it's a blue and this is a string. So now we can have an additional operands like 3 1 2 3. So now it will just add all of this and get the result as 1 1 1 2 3. That's it. So it will just concat no matter what you have, either string or a numeric number. So this is the what we call it as string arithmetics in JavaScript, and some will call it as a weird things in JavaScript. So you should be knowing that, because if you don't know this, you will be having some kind of problem in your future with addition and the string manipulation and string conversion of all of these things. So with the help of this, you can concat a number with a string easily with just an additional operator. That's it guys, this is all about the craziest stuff that is in JavaScript, and this is what we call it as string arithmetics, and this is all about it, and see you in the next lecture.